Welcome to the world of essential oils. Today we're going to show you 3 simple ways to incorporate them into your daily routine. First up, the classic essential oil diffuser. Simply choose your favorite essential oils, combine it with water, and watch it work its magic as a fine mist with aromatic essence releases into the air. It creates such a tranquil and inviting atmosphere in any room. Next up, one of our favorites, the reed diffuser. So this elegant little vessel gets filled with a reed solution, reed sticks are placed in, and then the oil will absorb into the sticks and then release into the air. So it creates this really subtle but consistent scent without electricity. Method number 3 is topical application. Whenever you're using essential oils on the skin, it is crucial to dilute it with a carrier oil. So you'll use a ratio of 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil with 2 to 3 drops of essential oil. Perfect for massage and scrubs with many, many therapeutic benefits. No matter how you choose to enjoy your essential oils, get ready for a world of health upgrades. From relaxation and stress relief to pain management and skincare benefits, the possibilities are truly endless. It's time to embrace the power of nature and make essential oils part of your routines.